Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys today? I'm doing good. So here is my pre-plan with me. I went to edit this video and figured out all of my film data was correct. So this is how this week is looking. Today is Tuesday. Woo! As you can see here, I went to bed early last night. I was just done. So what I used this week was the Shop Avalon and Ninth 50 plus freebie, 25 plus freebie, and her April TPC sale freebie. It was a very gardeny, homegrown Hello Spring, and I figured if I'm using it, I need to use it now. So here is how last week came out, if you guys watched that video. So I like how it came out. And then this is how this week is coming out. Now, Avalon and Ninth is premium matte unicorn paper. You ain't peeling it up once it sticks to itself. If you're on paper, come up, no problem. Stick it to itself, on top of itself, ain't coming up without leaving a sticky residue. So just FYI. If you guys watched my haul, you saw this in its entirety, but as you can see, I have used every stinking sticker. So if you guys have a PP Weeks or just one of the weeks planners from Penny Pages, Avalon and Ninth, the Hobonichi Cousin or whatever it's called, these kits are fantastic. And it's like these two pages, I think she's reformatted it a little bit because she just came out with a week's planner. And yeah, super excited I got to use those. So the only thing I've used in here otherwise is Beyond Paper Flowers from Mr. Dill. This is Chloe from Brianna Nicole Designs, along with the fox and that Chloe. And this little flower and friend there are from, I think, Tilly B. Plan Sampler. Everything else is Avalon and Ninth on this page. Now over here, I had to pull in some functionals. So my To Clean, Important, This Week, and Dinner's header were all from actually leftovers from the leftovers from last week. Yeah, and then I threw in various things. That's a Scribble Prints Co. envelope. That's a habit tracker from Cheerful Planner Girl. Yeah, and that's just how everything is coming out. It is so pretty and I love it. And I'm so happy with how this planner is working on every level for me. I can take you back in time. You guys have seen a lot of these spreads. Some of them, this didn't come into the, that was not filmed. This was not filmed. This was using stickers from the Target Dollar Spot. This was filmed but got corrupted. This was from Cheerful Planner Girl's Freebies. This never got filmed. And then I've been on a roll, I think, since this one. So you can kind of see how things are progressing. They're getting to the point where I'm going to need to recoil this or come out of it completely and figure out a binder system that will work for it. I personally would rather recoil it, so I have been on the hunt for just coils that I can put in myself and use pliers to lock the ends of. If that does not work, I'm going to go steal a coil from an old planner, because all the coils that I have seen are huge and are not huge. Not the coil itself are huge, but the packaging is ginormous. Like 100 coils for $15 or something on Amazon. I'm just like, how about no? So, yeah. that was how the Avalon and Ninth freebies were used in this planner, which is the Today is the Day planner from the Target Dollar Spot, which I've said in every video I got in, I think, December of 2019. This is just how it normally looks. But yeah, hopefully next week I will be in here with an actual pre-plan, which I'm going to have to rip out these date dots. At first when I got this I thought it was going to be a scroll planner, and now as I've gotten into it, it's turned into a sticker planner, which big surprise. But I'm going to need to rip up these date dots. And if you guys don't know, next week, the 10th, is the Big O Live for the TPC or Planners Collaborative Facebook group. And then the sale goes Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the 11th through the 15th. So if you got money, burning a hole in your pocket, go support everybody over there. They are fantastic. You will love them. Enough said. So, and be on the lookout for like an hour and 15-minute haul. This is going to be coming at some point this week. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, please just drop them down there in that comment section and I will get back to you. Other than that, that's all I've got for you this week. I've got some stuff pre-filmed that I need to do voiceovers for, but as you can hear, my voice is kind of giving out. So I'm going to need to edit and voice those over when I'm speaking more clearly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a really quick one this week. I will talk to you again very, very soon. Much love to you and all of yours. And I will talk to you again hopefully before the end of the week. Bye for now.